I want to go over creating a cone in fast shapes. So open your job, call it your number. We can call this cone NOR. In the data, we have a 10-inch. We're going to fill this out. We want it 10 inches to 12 inches, and we want the height of the cone to be 6 inches right here. From there, we're going to go to the parts list, and then that generates our part list. From here, we're going to go into exporting the DXF, and it's going to export it into this file here. It's going to output. So now in Fusion, it's going to go to Insert, DXF, select the top plane right here. Right here in Match Programs, open this. Now, hit OK. Now in this sketch, it won't let me extrude it because usually when you hover top of the inside, it'll highlight a big block. So what we're gonna have to do is right click down here, edit this sketch, in the top create, fill gaps. I put 10 thou in here, and then join, hit OK, and now you can see it highlights it and fills it. If you need to add a collar on, what you can do is the side you want to add collars on, you can hit this line segment, press I for inspect, and you can see the length is 31.6. And then what you can do now is draw a rectangle 31.6, and that'll give us our proper circumference for cone on the 10-inch side. So what we're going to do is, this is a cone rolling fixture, so it's going to pin this up and kind of spin it around. So what we're going to do is adjust this so it clamps it. I'll take it back just a tad. It's not super tight. Okay. Usually what I like to do is just put a little kink in there, and maybe a little one further back or further ahead, because it kind of jumps when you go rolling one to another because of the gap in the roller. So now that we have this, we're going to adjust this. So you can see it's pinning it in there and it's rolling it around. And then your best bet's to do it backwards again. So I'm going to feed it this way. And what that does is it helps get rid of any ridge. Can I adjust this slightly? And I'm kind of just pushing this against the guide there. And especially when you get to the end, it sometimes puts a flat on it because it stops kind of forcing itself to turn. So that's why it's not a bad idea to kind of go and do it on a couple sides. And if you're doing multiple pieces, you don't roll one and then be done. You roll a piece, put your other piece in, roll it. So you only have to adjust that once. So we'll do this one more time, and I think that'll be it. So that should be good there. So this is the cone there on another cone that we made You can see someone ground the weld off, but one thing I do to cheat a bit is I would tack a piece of angle iron right here, and I would use that to just guide my nozzle as I weld it. And I'd also put a little prep into the when you butt these two things up so you can see it a bit easier. But that's a